Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. Зимой идет снег. Часть вторая. Страница 96, 97, 98, 99. English Starlight 3. It snows in winter. Homework. Part number 2. Page number 96, 97, 98, 99. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly, it's wonderful. It's terrible. Don't be silly. It's terrible. Don't be silly. I'm afraid my English is not very good. Don't be silly. It's wonderful. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. 96. Another lovely day. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Have a shower. Go jogging. Listen to music. Watch TV. Go to work. Do homework. Get up. Go to bed. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the phrases, then match them to the pictures. Завершите фразы, затем сопоставьте их с картинками. The answer. A. Вставать. G. Принимать душ. C. Завтракать. E. Идти на работу. H. Обедать. B. Слушать музыку. I. Идти на пробежку. D. Делать домашнюю работу. F. Ложиться в кровать. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 97, 97. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Grow. Baby. Bird. Give. Summer. Autumn. Winter. Spring. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Fairies in the forest. Read and complete. Феи в лесу. Прочитайте и заполните. The answer A. The spring fairies fly kites and pick flowers. The autumn fairies make umbrellas and collect fruit and nuts. The winter fairies dance in the snow and ski down the branches of the trees. The summer fairies swim all day and sing with the birds. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Now read again and match the sentences to the pictures. Теперь прочтите еще раз и сопоставьте предложения с картинками. The answer. Number 1. B. Number 2. D. Number 3. C. Number 4. A. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 98, 98. Read and make sentences about Fiona. Прочтите и составьте предложение о Фионе. The answer. She lives in Madrid. She doesn't live in London. She works in a school. She doesn't work in a shop. She plays the piano. She doesn't play the guitar. She eats vegetables. She doesn't eat meat. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 99, 99. Read and fill in or at. Прочтите и вставьте in или at. The answer. I go to school in the morning. It snows in winter. She has lunch at 12 o'clock. I watch TV in the evening. Do you go to bed late at night? He swims in the afternoon. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. What does Mark do every day? Look and say. Что Марк делает каждый день? Посмотри и скажи. Get up. Play tennis. Go to school. Have lunch. Watch TV. Go to bed. Mark gets up at 7. The answer. Mark gets up at 7. Mark plays tennis in the afternoon. Mark goes to school at 8 a.m. Mark has lunch at noon. Mark watches TV in the evening. Mark goes to bed at 10 p.m. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.